where sleek design meets practical functionality. Introducing Westgate's RSL-D2W slim recessed lights. These innovative fixtures provide a versatile and customizable lighting experience for any space. Starting at a bright 4000K, they're perfect for focused tasks. And as you dim the lights, they transition smoothly to a cozy 2200K or anywhere in between, creating the ideal ambience for dining, entertaining, or relaxing. Available in 4-inch and 6-inch options. These lights are the perfect choice for both modern homes and commercial spaces. Picture a dining venue where crisp lighting supports staff during prep, then transitions effortlessly to a warm, inviting glow for guests during service. It's lighting that works with you, not against you. With a slim, modern profile and an easy-to-install 1¼ thick junction box, these fixtures are designed for hassle-free installation, even in the most compact spaces. Upgrade your lighting to the RSL-D2W series. Functional, elegant, and made to enhance every moment. Westgate Manufacturing, the future is here. And it's quite bright.